artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way that we generate leads. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a free, simple, and easy method that you can start implementing right away to generate thousands of good, high-quality leads for your industry or niche. We're first going to look for those leads, and then I'm going to show you how to set up an automation system so that you can reach out to all of those leads on autopilot, even while you are sleeping. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Helena. I am an AI optimization expert, and on this channel, you will learn all of the latest about AI and automation. So I really appreciate it if you can like and subscribe if you got any value out of today's training. I've also got a free AI course that you can sign up for below as well. Okay, so now let's dive in. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually look for our leads through Google. And we're going to use the following search query. There are three components to this search query. We're first going to tell Google the site that we want it to look through. And then secondly, we want to specify the niche that we are targeting. This could be plumbers, electricians, doctors, lawyers, life coaches, etc. And then thirdly, we're going to tell Google only return the profiles with email addresses listed on it. And I have listed some popular email address domains here. If there is another one that you want to target, you just have to add in or and plus the quote plus the @ symbol and then the name of the domain that you also want Google to look for as well. So let's say that we want to look for life coaches, and that's our target market. What you'll do is do site Instagram, and then we would put in quotes life coaches followed by all of those most popular email domain senders. This search query will tell Google to look through Instagram.com, find profiles that have life coaches listed, and also those profiles also has to have one of these email domains listed as well. This will allow us to look through Instagram for life coaches and only look for life coaches who have put their email address on their profile. Another example that I have here is for Google to look through LinkedIn.com and only to return those profiles that have surgeons listed and only surgeons who have email addresses listed on their profiles. Now let's try this out and see what we get. Let's do the life coach one first. Let's put it into Google and see what we get here. Less than a second here, I get hundreds if not thousands of profiles that are of life coaches, and they all have email addresses specified on their profiles as well. Great, so this search query is working awesome. The next thing is to copy over all of this information onto ChatGPT. To do so, if you are on a Mac, just press Command A or Control A if you are on a PC. I'm going to copy all of this over to ChatGPT and paste everything in. And then I'm going to scroll to the top and use the following prompt, which I also have on this Google Doc right here. And the prompt is format the data below into a table with these columns: full name, company name, website URL, email, and phone number. And all I need to do is to press enter, and ChatGPT will do all of the hard work for me. As you can see, it has created a table here with the full name of the account owner, the company name, Instagram URL, the email of that person, and if there is a phone number listed on their profile, it's going to scrape over the phone number as well. I can do the exact same thing for LinkedIn, so this method is great for generating leads through Instagram and LinkedIn without having to pay hundreds of dollars to Apollo or Get Prospect or any other lead generation software. Next, what I'm going to do is actually copy this table right over here and then create my automation system to reach out to all of these leads on autopilot. So what I'm going to do is to copy this table, and I'm going to paste it in a brand new Google Sheet, and I'm going to call this lead outreach test. What I'm going to do now is to use an automation tool, and my favorite one is make.com. Once I log into my make.com account, I can create a new scenario, which will take me to a blank canvas. And the trigger here is going to be Google Sheet. So whenever there are new rows added to my Google Sheet, this automation is going to be triggered. At the bottom here, I can also specify how often I want this automation to run. If you scrape, let's say, thousands of different leads, you